We have another one finished up here at Innovative Car Sound 2006 Ford Excursion. We put in a basic alarm system. Here is the remote. You get two of them. Lock, unlock, honking horn, flashing lights. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will set it off. And get in here, pick the lock. It comes with a blue LED light that we mount on the dash. And I'll open up the door. Alright, so this one here is something real basic. Just a lock and unlock with a basic alarm system security. And then on the inside, we added an adapter to be able to hook up a phone to the factory radio. This is a hardwired connection. It gives you the best reception. Here we have the phone plugged in through the auxiliary. And we mounted a plug-in and a switch to power it on. It's programmed to 89.1. It's a control module that hardwires into the radio. We flip it on, the static goes away, and then we hit play on the music. And now we have music playing. We are able to do this with most vehicles if the customer does not want to take the factory radio out. On this older type of vehicle, the customer didn't want to lose the 6-disc CD changer, so we went with this option to hardwire an adapter right onto the factory radio. So you control the music through the phone, and as long as it's wired in and that switch is on, it'll work.
Every move that a man could make.
This one's all finished up and ready to go. 2006 Ford Excursion. Control module to the factory radio to plug in your phone, listen to music, and a basic alarm system. We'll see you guys on the next one.